Head over to search and type in run, click on enter, then type in reg, edit, and click on enter again, and then click on yes. Once we're on it, we're going to expand HKey current user, then we're going to expand system, and then we're going to click on game config store. And then we're going to look for game DVR underscore enabled. You want to double click on it, and then change the value data to 0, and click on OK. Next, we can close out on this, and instead we're going to open up HKey local machine. Then we're going to expand software, then we're going to expand Microsoft, then we're going to scroll down until we see policy manager. We're going to expand that, and then we're going to expand default, and then we're going to scroll down until we find application management. We're going to expand that, and then we're going to click on allow game DVR. You could also follow everything on the top right here. It shows exactly what I clicked on. Once we're on it, we're going to double click on value and then make this 0 and click on OK. Once we do this, we're going to head over to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. Once we're on it, click on power options, and then make sure that you select high performance. Or you may have gaming performance or ultra high performance. If you don't have that, then head over to create a power plan, and then you might have it here, and then just click on next, follow all the steps. But if you don't have it, then just stay on balanced. After you do all of this, restart your computer and your game performance should be increased.